One very common misconception that many lawful permanent residents green card holders have is that once their green card expires, they're no longer subject to US tax. They don't have to file a US tax return on their worldwide income, but unfortunately, that's incorrect. The way that it works from a US tax perspective is having the the green card is representative of your lawful permanent resident status. So just because the green card expires doesn't mean that you've given up your US person status. Instead, you have to take proactive steps. Typically, this includes filing an I-407 and returning the green card whether it's expired or not. Until a person proactively takes that step, for example, and gives up their green card, gives up their status, they're still considered to be a US person for tax purposes, whether they live in the United States or they live overseas. If your green card expired and you haven't done anything yet, then the IRS still requires you to file taxes. Before you send in your I-407, which is the way most people give up their green card, it's important to consider whether you're considered a long-term resident, what your net worth is, what your net income average tax liability is, if you've been 5 years tax compliant, because then you may be considered a covered expatriate and subject to exit tax. So if you have the green card or it's expired, before submitting anything, you want to make sure you have your tax affairs in order.